We're live.
We're really live. Okay, we made it. Just by the
It's still 12 o'clock.
It's still 12 o'clock. Okay, so I'm not late. I've been running in my tall tennis shoes, which is really dangerous if you know me, to look for a picture or something for you that I could not find. So now I'm out of breath. Probably because I need to run more often. That's a dirty word around here. Hi, everybody. I showed up on time. It's Keely reporting to you live from Still with a Kiss. A whole lot has happened since last week, which is super exciting. Because last week we didn't have a whole lot to talk about, did we? Always have something to talk about. This week I have stuff to show you and stuff to tell you, so have a seat. We got a lot to do. All right, we'll start with Berroco. This is what had me running around like a crazy person before I started. New Berroco spring stuff has come. New Berroco spring yarns. This is called Splash, not to be confused with the Splash from Lang. That's going to be fun, isn't it? I love having two yarns on the shelf with the same name, but it's a really cool yarn. If you remember their dash from last fall, it kind of does like that. It has like little streaks of color built in. I've got more colorful colors coming. Here, let's see here. Well, no, they did more of a muted color range. Just if you think about spring, these aren't knock you over spring yarns colors, but they're so pretty. That one's nice. These are the brighter ones. Isn't that cool? This is cotton viscose blend, organic cotton it looks like, from Italy. And like I said, the reason what had me running is I've got pictures of the patterns that are going to go with this yarn because the patterns aren't here yet, but I couldn't find them. I tried. Just had to trust me. Cute stuff. So it's kind of like half here. We've got the yarn, no patterns. Isola is a yarn we had last spring. Here's one of the colors from last spring that we reordered on. It looks, they have the solids that look like this. Well, now they've added the multis, and they are gorgeous. They have some really nice stuff to go with them. If we ever get our patterns in, which shouldn't be too long. Berroco's really good about getting stuff out in a timely manner. Can't say that about everybody. That's why we like Berroco, because they can get us spring yarns before spring's over. I always love buying spring for the next season. It seems like that's what happens. These are really nice colors. I remember why we bought these. Yeah, blue. Really nice. These are really super pretty. This yarn is, did I get them all? Yeah. I think I did. Did I open that one? Yep, I got them all. It's another blend. It's cotton, linen, and viscose. It is DK weight. Really pretty. This is also machine washable. Is this one machine washable? Now, this one's hand washed. This one will machine wash. So make a nice tea, wouldn't it? I meant to make us a new summer tea. So that's what's happened in the yarn department. Covered up my note. If you don't have my note, I'll forget what I'm doing. All right, I'll move on this side. That way they're in front of me. Joy Susan. We've got some new bags and straps in from Joy Susan. We'd hoped that these would come before Christmas, but I don't know what happened there. We sell a ton of these guitar straps, especially the skinnier size. In fact, I think we sold about half of what came in just off this ledge before I got to do a video, didn't I? Yeah, but we wanted some more thin straps. I love that one. That one's really pretty. Look at all these. Yeah, but these are awesome. They're great to switch out, whether it's on a big purse or on a little one. We sell a ton of these. These are their nice little inserts for your credit cards and ID. What are they called? They have a name. Do you remember? No. The Cara Mini Wallet. These are the Cara Mini Wallets and the new Cara Mini Wallet. And quite frankly, we don't know what the difference is. Do you? You priced them. Do you? I have no clue. Maybe there's a prize if you can figure out what the difference is, because I thought, why did I buy both of those? They look the same. I think I thought I was getting a smaller one, but nonetheless, these are really handy. We sell a ton of these, and we've got new colors that we didn't have before, so that's a plus. This is a new little crossbody that I'm telling you right now, one of these is going home with me. This is going to be my new purse. What I love about these is they come with straps. You have a long strap or a wristlet. I like this style because look, you can put your phone in this outside pocket, which would be real easy to get to because I like to stick my phone in there. And then when you open it up, it has the credit card thing just like this, but it's built in the side. There's a zippered pouch, another pouch, and then a big area here. So I can cram all my stuff in this. I've kind of gone on the tiny purse thing. I had my big one. Now I just leave it in the car. There's nothing in it but a bunch of stuff I don't use. But when traveling, I like the small purse, and I've kind of stuck with it. And it's really great if you pair it up with one of the straps, or you can use the one that came with it. I've done both. I broke my strap that came with it in the car. If you, with all my son's heavy crap, it got stuck underneath there and broke my strap. And I was like, oh no. I'm like, all right, I'm putting a guitar strap on mine now. But it comes in the orange. It's kind of buffy color. Espresso. It's brown. That's a good color too. Say, you better come get you one for when these goes home on my shoulder, because you know it will. And these are really nice too. This is another one that's a wristlet, or it has the wristlet. This is the wallet. And check it out. Holds lots of stuff, lots of bills, the zip pocket in the middle. I like that. That's a really nice wallet. And these are a good price. I don't know. Oh, look, wait a minute. Found another one. But wait, there's more. Another little pocket there. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. These are $42. I mean, when's the last time you found a cool wallet for $42? Hard to do. Sometimes wallets cost as much as the purse. So we're really happy with our new Joy Susan stuff. And we've got some new tops in. I have one of them on today from Rena. We sell these like crazy. These are the French terry. All of these are. This is a new style that I have on. It's a hoodie. And we have it in this peacock color or in the fig. And this is another top. We've had this style before in brown, but we added it in the steel blue. I have it in the brown. Love this top too. Most importantly, we've had their leggings for a while, but we've had trouble getting the smaller sizes in. It'd be nice to know that on this line, more people need the smaller size of the legging than the bigger size. We won't talk about what size I'm wearing right now, but that's a different story. But we finally got the smaller sizes in our prints. We have the floral and the fig. That looks gonna look great with this top, or we have the one I had on, when was it, last week? It will go, I had these on last week with a different top. I have on the stripy ones today, and they go with all sorts of things. I wear it with my brown or my fig or whatever. And then there's these, and I have a green top or a brown top. I look good with my boots. I love to wear these. I tell you what, they did, when we went and bought these, we found this line in Vegas, wasn't it, Jeannie? Mm-hmm. And the gal said, we have the best leggings. I'm like, oh, everybody says that. No, they weren't lying. These are hands down the best. I mean, just pants in general you'll ever find. The waist, I'm not going to show all of me, but they come up high. They come up really high. They don't hit where your waist bends. So when you sit down, they don't bunch up. They just, they hold everything in. They don't give you that little muffin top over, even when you bend over, because of where they hit at. In fact, when I had my surgery, my gallbladder surgery at Christmas, these were the only pants I wanted to put on, because anything else just happened to hit all through here and were miserable. So these pants will make you happy. Once you start wearing them, you're like, oh, I will wear these all the time, because you will feel good and it holds you together, but it doesn't compress you like Spanx or anything like that. You can breathe. That's the most important thing. It's hard to find something that keeps everything in place, but you're not miserable. So we're real happy with these. We need to come and get you some of these too, right, Jeannie? Mm-hmm. Now the smaller size, Jeannie's going to be having hers on.
That's right.
Jeannie's shorter than me, so that if you're shorter, you might need the smaller size. Mm-hmm. Taller people that eat too much chocolate and carbs might need the larger size. I might fall into that category these days. Okay, lots of things going on. Now that gets exciting stuff. We are like super busy. We've been planning our 30th anniversary party, our big celebration. It's still on. Nothing's changed. Saturday, February 25th. All day thing. Going to be amazing. So I hope you have that on your calendar, because you're going to want to be here. I've had trouble getting all of my stuff together, because we're also building kind of a little, well, it's going to be a little mini thing around it, mini get together, mini retreat. And I was trying to get all my pieces in order. I've been working on this since right before Christmas, wasn't it? And it seems like I've just had trouble getting everything together. Well, sometimes things like that happen for a reason, because as I sat down Friday finally and said, okay, we're getting this together starting today, almost everything changed. It has gone from a simple Saturday night celebration and has just blown up into a whole 3-day affair, because I'm happy to tell you guys that straight from the UK, Georgia Farrell is going to be here in person at our store. She will not be here on Saturday, but you still want to come Saturday. Trust me, she will be here Thursday and Friday. And we are still tying up all the loose ends, and we will be putting together the information for you soon. You'll know, we'll let you know. But just be watching for that, hopefully by the end of the week, if not before. I'd like to have it together like now, but there's a lot of things that I still have to figure out, but it's going to be amazing. So it's worth coming just to see Georgia. You might want to stick around. Like I said, whether you can come 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, we're going to have something pretty much for everybody. So February 23rd through 25th, better put a little note in your calendar. It's a good time to come and see us at SWAC. If you can't wait until February to come and have some fun and hang out, come Saturday. Saturday is our social Saturday from 1 to 4. Just a good time to get out of the house, get off social media, come talk to some real people in person. It's very good for you to do, and we'll have some snacks and we'll have a good time. Lori and I will be holding down the fort. Lori will be here. Jeannie will not. She's off doing some scrapbook retreat all weekend. I mean, priorities, people. She's running off and leaving us for the weekend, but Lori and I'll go get, my sidekick Shonda Lynn, we will muddle through in her absence. So it could get messy, but we'll have carbs and food and fun. So come join us Saturday, 1 to 4. Is there anything else going on?
Not that I know of.
Yeah, we're just doing the social Saturday since Jeannie's not going to be here. We're not having a class. We piled them all in last week and we have some next week too, I think. I'll have to look at we'll catch you up on that next week. I'm just trying to get through today, to tell you the truth. Got so much going on. But I think that's pretty much all. It's exciting. And that's just the stuff that we've got to the point where I can tell you, we got so much more going on. It's crazy. Isn't it crazy around here, Jeannie?
It is.
Crazy. Yeah, so come and see us. If you are on our newsletter, you might have noticed that we're running a special through January 20th on Norwegian wool. Thought that was a good time of year for it, starting off. So don't miss out on that either. You can get it online or in the store. You don't have to do anything special to get the discount. Just go and shop. And I will see you guys next Tuesday. Hopefully I'll know more about Georgia Farrell then. Bye.